The Blue Sea Systems ST-CLB circuit breaker block provides reset-only circuit protection for 6 or 12 circuits. The compact snap-in design features quick connect clips for simple installation and tin-plated copper buses and screw terminals for unbeatable conductivity. Choose the independent model for isolated feeds and loads, or the common model for a shared ground and up to 100 amps total. A transparent insulated cover meets ABYC, USCG, and CE standards, and includes square recesses for easy labeling. Each circuit in the breaker block can handle up to 32 amps. Plenty of power for today's demanding electrical systems. And with dual direction breakouts, your wire runs stay clean and organized. No fuss, no tools. Just push to reset and restore power. The ST-CLB circuit breaker block. Compact, convenient, and built to perform. Blue Sea Systems. Relentlessly reliable.